Alright, so let's go to photos and do what I did last time, is insert a basic slideshow. Drag that out. Okay, I'm going to move this down. Quite like it like this. Click on it again. Let's make it a bit bigger, because my photos are fairly big. I'm just going to select all of these things. I'm just going to move them down quite a long way, that way I can make the image frame a bit larger. Okay, so now we can come up to, oops, sorry, this one. Click on the little blue arrow here. We go add images, so let's just press the little button here. And I don't have anything right now that's amazing, so I'm just gonna do some of these. Obviously I won't put these on my website, but you get the idea. Wow, that's a lot of these. Oh god. Okay, let's just try again. Alright, now just press open. Loading 9 files. And what I'm going to do, you can see here it's scrolled down to the second line, so double click and a bit bigger. Okay, so now we can hopefully preview this page. And you can see that we can go next, 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 previous, and you can see each time the number increments, and we can change the caption for each one just by clicking on it. So that's the slideshow aspect, and what I'm going to do now is just simply finish up everything on the website. So I've changed my mind. I'm going to change this font here to Trebuchet as well. So let's go to the A master, select it, select all of the text, let's go all the way back up, Trebuchet. Okay, so I'm going to make it bold, and I'm going to, there we go. And also I'm going to make sure that the labels on the menu are also Trebuchet, so click on it. Select it, and we're going to go font Trebuchet, and that changes all of them. And I'm also going to increase the letter spacing a bit. Okay. And just here you can see we've now made a contact form, so we can select this and make it a hyperlink and choose from one of the pages here. So we can either go select a page, or we can type in a URL, select contact. Let's go and make sure that's okay. Now we need to come back to these and move them back into place, these things here. So select it and move it kind of in the middle. Go paragraph on line middle down here, that way I can add text without having to resize the box. So I'm also going to change this font again, so come all the way up to Trebuchet. Okay, now we need to move it down a bit. There we go. So I'm just going to press Ctrl C Okay, and so delete this, go Control Shift Alt Paste, and just retype portfolio. Okay, come to photos, delete that, Control Shift Alt Paste, change this to photos, contact, oops, delete that, Control Shift Alt Paste, and change this to contact. Okay, we're also just going to check that these things on the slide are actually linked to something, so come to back to the A master page. You can see that for some reason the entire box is linked to Vimeo, which we don't want. We want to just quickly... Oh yeah, by the way, if these don't move properly, like these little boxes don't stay inside a rectangle, make sure they're grouped. I'm just going to ungroup them. This one should have a hyperlink to Twitter there. This one should have a hyperlink to YouTube, which isn't there. It's going to change. YouTube/Duckhouse Productions. Come to... Why did it do that? Oh yeah, yes, press enter, I forgot. That's being weird. Look, select this one. Now I want to select this one. Delete that, so now it hasn't got a hyperlink. Click back, and now select YouTube, enter. So now hopefully when I click it, yeah, okay. And we have to again get rid of the hyperlink. Click on it again. Come to, where did it go? Vimeo. Press enter. Click away, click back. Okay, that's all worked. Now select all of these again. Right, click group. Alright, I think we're done for this part. Well, I'll just go over how you can preview your site. You can either go preview, which uses their inbuilt WebKit browser, which isn't so great, although it looks nice. We'll go File, Preview Page in Browser, or File, Preview Site in Browser. So we're going to preview the site in the browser now. Take a while to think, because it has to export each one of these images separately. Okay. Hopefully Firefox should open. And after we preview the site, we're going to go to the last part of this tutorial, which will be how to either A, set up a business catalyst site, which will host your website, which I strongly don't recommend, or B, export your website as HTML, then upload it to your own hosting, which I strongly recommend. So here we go, it's loaded. Ignore this, because it doesn't happen when you upload it to the website. Go loading. We've got the Twitter feed here, all works. Come down, we should have this nice italic when you hover over. Come to portfolio. Got different tabs, although these appear to have moved up over my menu. It's not a good thing. Go to photos. Oops. Photos, and you can see we've got this, it works quite nicely. And we've got contact, which should work. There we go. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time in the last part where we completely finish this website. So thank you very much for watching.